My name is Jordan and I'm the product manager for the Landa S10 Nanographic printing press. I joined Landa almost 2 years ago, and since then I've been fortunate to be part of the amazing growth our company has had. We've transitioned this product, the S10, from beta phase to commercial availability and shipped and installed presses on 3 continents. And with everything that is happening, we do have more presses on the water heading to customers as we speak. In the past 2 years, I've hosted hundreds of customers for demos here in Israel and open houses all over the world. The recent restrictions caused by the coronavirus, on the one hand, have temporarily put a stop to these activities, but on the other hand, we can already see that the printing world of tomorrow will necessitate the value that we are already bringing today. Faster time to market, just-in-time manufacturing, shorter runs, versioning, all of that and more is possible with Landa's breakthrough technology. The Landa S10 is made for the folding carton and POP markets. Our products, driven by Nanography, which some of you may have heard about from Dr. Nano in one of our previous sessions, are being utilized across many verticals within these segments and are being brought into mainstream production by our install base. These verticals include pharmaceuticals, requiring inline inspection and brand protection application, high-end health and beauty products demanding perfect Pantone matching, and the food and beverage vertical requiring the most vibrant colors and indirect food contact approved water-based inks. We have the support of major brands our customers work with who are excited to see the quality and capabilities offered by the S10 press. Before we dive into the incredible value this press will bring to your business, I do want to quickly go over the specifications. But I do want to mention that it's clear to us that to replace today's dominant technology, offset printing, we need to be comparable with offset. Offset speed, offset quality, ability to print on any paper, and of course, offset competitive print cost. That's why we use Komori's sheet transport system, including a highly automated feeder, industry standard hybrid coding unit, and robust single or double delivery units to maximize productivity. We combine the flexibility of digital printing with a proven reliability of an offset sheet transport system. The speed of the press is 6,500 sheets per hour, which is already up to 5 times the speed of any digital press out there. And it will be faster soon, matching offset speeds, making the S10 the most productive digital press out there. The S10 comes in 4 or 7 color configuration and produces the widest color gamut in the industry, reaching 96% of Pantones, and they run at full speed no matter how many colors. This means you can reach your brand spot colors accurately and consistently. The print format is B1 or 41 inches and covers the whole gamut of folding carton and POP requirements. And because we print in an indirect process that's not reliant on substrate, our super high quality images can be transferred to virtually any off-the-shelf paper or carton board, recycled or virgin, coated or uncoated, no priming needed. This press was designed with open architecture in mind, and we believe that you need an end-to-end solution, not a press. For this reason, our workflow supports a wide range of possibilities through third-party partners, both pre-printing and post-printing. Okay, now that you understand some of the capabilities, let's talk about the value. Our customers are trusting their Landa with the most demanding jobs because of the amazing print quality, brilliant color consistency, and uniform output. They are moving jobs from their offset presses to Landa because of the digital flexibility it enables and higher profitability when printing short to medium run lengths. And these types of production runs will only get shorter and shorter. But customers aren't moving jobs just because of the amazing quality, flexibility, and profitability. By moving short to medium run length production from offset to Landa, you immediately increase the productivity of the entire production floor by enabling offset to do what it does best, long runs. With the Landa S10, you gain the best of both worlds, the fast turnaround simplicity of a digital press with the high production speed and efficiency of a B1 or 41-inch press, all at the lowest cost per page for any digital process. Exactly what your customers need and require. You continue to print on any off-the-shelf paper or board you are using today without need for pre-treatment. Landa is the most sustainable printing process out there. Not only is this important to all of us, but it will also be key to winning brands' businesses. The S10 supports the widest range of digital application, brand protection, track and trace, personalization, variable data printing, all on a B1 or 40-inch format. These applications will open up new business opportunities that aren't available with offset printing. Our press delivers standardized output that can be measured and replicated over presses, sites, and time. To understand how versatile this press really is, I want to tell you about how some of our customers are using it worldwide. One of our first beta customers is one of Israel's leading folding carton manufacturers and is using our press for all types of jobs. from printing food packaging to the most demanding health and beauty work for top international brands. They have now moved their short runs to Landa, enabling their offset presses to massively increase their production by constantly running the long jobs. Our press has also enabled them to develop their business by offering new capabilities such as variable data printing for mass market productions and get into signs and display work, which is a segment they never operated in before installing our press. One of our North American customers is a big sign and display manufacturer in the United States. They produce tens to hundreds of jobs a day on our press. Their POP jobs are very, very short, and the ability to run so many jobs in one day was a real game changer for this company. One of our European customers produces jobs for some of the world's most demanding pharma and health and beauty brands. Some of the first projects to be run on Landa were high-quality haircare products where image quality and color accuracy are paramount. Other customers in Latin America and Asia are taking the press to the limits in terms of the types of substrates they run on it to produce fast-moving consumer goods for exporting. To sum it up, the Landa S10 provides real production opportunities right now, production performance at production speed worldwide. It's a digital press that produces offset quality at near offset speeds on any type of board, and most importantly, at the lowest print cost of any digital press. I hope to see you soon here in our demo center in Israel or at one of our open houses.